In today's video, I'll show you how to customize booking confirmation pages in Acuity Scheduling step by step. A customized confirmation page can help you thank clients, provide important instructions, share meeting details, and create a more professional booking experience. According to Acuity, the confirmation page can display appointment details, calendar links, reschedule options, cancellation options, and a custom confirmation message. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Appointment Types from the left-hand menu. Next, find the appointment type you want to customize and click Edit. Scroll through the appointment settings until you find the option labeled Show a Message After Scheduling. Click on that option to open the confirmation message editor. Now you can create a custom message that clients will see immediately after booking their appointment. This is a great place to thank clients, explain what happens next, provide preparation instructions, or share important policies. Acuity also allows you to include images, directions, contact information, and other helpful details. For example, you might include information about what clients should bring, how to join a virtual meeting, parking instructions, or links to additional resources. After customizing the message, click Save. If you offer multiple services, repeat the process for each appointment type. Acuity allows each appointment type to have its own unique confirmation message. Once saved, clients will see your custom message on the confirmation page immediately after completing their booking. The message also becomes part of the appointment information clients receive and can be included when they add the appointment to their calendar. Before finishing, make a test booking to review the confirmation page and ensure all instructions, links, and information appear correctly. And that's it. You've successfully customized booking confirmation pages in Acuity Scheduling and improved the experience your clients receive after booking. And that's how you customize booking confirmation pages in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.